Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Figure questions get easy fast when you match what the image actually shows to the process, then eliminate choices that describe completely different cellular events. Figure 1 is showing semiconservative replication, meaning each new DNA molecule keeps one original strand and builds one new strand, which is a dead giveaway for DNA copying. It also shows the formation of additional circular DNA molecules, so we are not watching gene expression, translation, or microRNA regulation. We are watching DNA duplicate itself. That process is characteristic of plasmids replicating, so the figure matches replication of a plasmid, and that locks in option D. Well done, option D, scan now. Don't rush signs, trust what's given, and check the steps so the figure leads you cleanly.